Hello friends! Once again, this is RJ. And I'm back for another episode of Do-It-Yourself Car Improvement. For today's video, I'm gonna show you how I was able to install an underseat subwoofer on my vehicle. So let's go! For this installation, we'll use a Pioneer Compact, active subwoofer with built-in amplifier, TSWX130DA. It combines a built-in 160 watts Class D amplifier, aluminium cone specially designed acoustic suspension enclosure and digital bass control. It is extremely compact, and is designed to be installed in various small, tight spaces and is exactly fit on the passenger's underseat. The wiring is provided with harnesses for power, input and remote control for ease of connection. The unit is provided with an RCA input harness but is of 0.5 meters only, so you'll need an aftermarket RCA cable extension to connect the subwoofer and the output of the Android head unit. A power harness with 3-pin plug for the battery connection, ground and remote turn-on leads. The 4-pin plug with 2 female RCAs for audio input of the subwoofer. And a wired digital bass control with attached a J45 cable plug. It provides user with 2 selectable listening modes, enhancing system optimization and tuning the output to complement various musical styles and vehicle type. To properly access the wiring connections, dismantle the head unit and detach all the wiring harnesses. The subwoofer is to be installed beneath the passenger's seat, so detach the glove box to allow the wires to pass through in it. Let's start the wiring by connecting the RCA cable connectors of the subwoofer and the head unit. Refer to the manual of your head unit and identify the audio outputs, audio L out, and audio R out, in colors white and red respectively. Another wire to be connected to the head unit is the remote turn-on leads, in blue wire included in the power harness. This provides signal to turn on the subwoofer. Join the 2 cables, RCA cable extension and remote turn-on leads, and allow to pass through the holes beneath the dashboard until it reaches the head unit. Identify the actual RCA audio outputs of the head unit. It usually comes with a tag, aux L out, and aux R out. Connect it with the RCA cable extension and insulate. Fix the cables to prevent loose contact. After which, reconnect the harnesses of the head unit. Now, let's put in place the remote digital bass controller. I prefer to install it under the AC knobs and allow its wires to pass through in it for a clean installation. You may choose your preferred location. Now for the power supply of the subwoofer, the power harness is provided with a positive and negative wires in yellow and black color respectively. Connect the yellow wire to the positive terminal of the battery, and black for ground. Connect the RCA cable extension to the RCA input harness with a 4-pin plug of the subwoofer. Now, let's try to connect the 3 harnesses to the subwoofer. There's no way that these 3 will be interchanged because they have unique socket connectors. Before we fix the subwoofer's position, let's test its functionality. Once the head unit is powered up, a blue LED light will lit on the remote control signifying that the subwoofer is now energized. Now that we have verified that we've wired the subwoofer correctly, let's fix the installation of the remote control, the underseat subwoofer and its wirings. And that's it for the installation part of the project. Please do watch the next video on the comparison of the music played with and without using a subwoofer. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this helpful, please do like and subscribe.